Do you know that you can make money by just sharing your opinion? Then if you don't know, welcome back to our channel guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys, because on this channel we discuss about various ways on how you can make money guys. So in today's video we're going to be looking at this website called user interviews that pays you to share your opinion or to review product or anything like that guys. So that is the work of user interview guys. You literally get paid to help people to review their products or answer a survey guys about a product online. So now let us explore the website together. So as you can see here, it says we connect researchers and participants. You see here, get fast access to quality participants or earn money by participating in studies. You see here, participate in studies and earn money. So that's how it works. You can see a researcher at these companies gain insight faster. So these companies, they literally pay people guys for them to review product or about any update they are trying to add to their website guys. So they literally pay people so that they can give reviews about the product testing or anything guys before they make it live on their website. So you can literally earn money doing that. So as you can see here, the complete research recruiting platform, say find participants from our panel, your panel, or both. So that's just how it works. You can see here, find qualified participants fast, target professionalism and consumer in any niche, match within hours, not weeks, AI powered matching and fraud detection. So that's just how it works guys. So now let's check on the product section. So as you can see here, yes, it's recruit, which means solve from our panel and automate research. Yes, a research lab. You see here, build your own panel and automate research and all. So that's not what we want to look about. So what we want to check out is this section right here. So as you can see here, it says surveys, like research panel and everything guys. So let's say you want to go with survey now. You can just click on surveys to read more about it. You can see here, we could surveys participants, get deep insight from our 6 million pools of participants or target segment of your own user. You see here, verify participant, precise targeting, screening and segmentation, say flexible audience, your user, our panel, or a mix of both. And the last one says mixed method, which means support quant or hybrid surveys. So that's just how it works guys. So you can see a book a demo to access our survey package for up to 70% per response. So what you need to do now is you need to click on this book a survey, and when you click on this surveys, book on surveys guys, you input your details right here guys. So after you input your details right here, then you click on pick a time, then you will input time and everything guys, and after that guys, you will wait for their response. And when they respond you whether you qualified or not guys, if you are qualified, then they will let you to know so that you can start earning on user interviews. So that's just how it works guys. So that will be all for our video. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.